Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series of Advanced Concrete Technology. In last lecture we have covered water cement ratio and jet space ratio. So for concrete technology these are the two most important topic like water cement and jet space ratio, because everything, the strength, the durability of the concrete structure depends on the water cement ratio and the jet space ratio. So I have discussed you about water cement ratio. So water cement ratio increases or decreases. Okay, if you add more water to your concrete, then strength will get decreases. This I have told you in last lecture. Okay, and water cement ratio. In water cement ratio, water is increasing, strength will go on decreasing. Like that, gem space ratio. See, gem space ratio. If space increases in the concrete, then what will happen? Space increases means water will get increased. Water will get increased means strength will get decreased. So these are the two most important factors in concrete technology: water cement ratio and jet space ratio. For detailed note and for detailed study, you can refer my lecture number 3 or 4, I think, in Google Classroom I have posted. So you can refer from Google Classroom lecture. Okay, jet space ratio and water cement ratio. Now in this lecture, our next topic is maturity concept. Maturity of concrete. See, maturity of concrete. While dealing with curing and strength development, we have so far considered only the time aspect. Okay. It has been pointed out earlier that the strength will go on increasing according to the time. But after some time or after some experiments, after some research, it has been established that the strength of a concrete is dependent not only on time, but also temperature. Means concrete will get fully matured with respect to time and temperature as well. Means if you multiply time with temperature, then you can easily calculate the maturity of the concrete. Maturity means to get complete strength or to attain complete strength. Okay, so maturity concept is nothing but simple कि maturity of a concrete depends on time and temperature. But earlier in history earlier it was developed that concrete strength is dependent only on time. But this is completely wrong. Strength of a concrete depends on time along with temperature. So maturity concept. So maturity of a concrete is the summation of multiplication of time and temperature. See, where the unit of time can be taken in hours or days, and temperature degree centigrade. So the unit for maturity will be degree centigrade hours or degree centigrade days. See, in surveying, you all know about surveying, and you have studied surveying all as well. Okay, so in surveying, for each and every practical, you have to take reference. Okay, datum. You have to take any datum, any reference. Okay, so like that in maturity concept, we have a datum line with respect to temperature. Means you have to take one temperature as a reference to calculate this maturity. So according to researches, according to developments, or according according to establishment by scientists and all that things, that minus 11 degree centigrade will be your datum line. Means minus 11 degree centigrade is the reference line to calculate maturity of any concrete. So you have to take minus 11 degree centigrade. Always keep in mind minus 11 degree centigrade is the datum line, is the datum temperature for calculating maturity. And also fully, and according to researchers, according to experiments, at 18 degree centigrade, listen, at 18 degree centigrade, 28 days, means 28 days, the fully concrete strength at 28 days, strength at 28 days at room at this temperature 18 degree centigrade can be taken as fully matured concrete. Fully matured concrete. So these are the reference thing. First is fully matured concrete and second is the reference temperature. So reference temperature is minus 11 degree centigrade and according to researchers fully matured concrete is at 18 degree centigrade 28 days is 28 days, means at 28 days the concrete can be fully matured at 18 degree centigrade, or in that they have taken minus 11 degree centigrade is the reference temperature. Okay, so these are the two things, most important things you have to keep in mind for calculating maturity of any concrete at any temperature, at any percentage. Okay, so for that our value for this have been calculated. So I am going to show you that value. See, maturity equals to time into temperature. Okay, so time into temperature, how much? See, time is equals to fully matured concrete. Okay, according to research at 18 degree centigrade 28 days strength will be the fully matured concrete, or concrete can attain the complete strength at 28 days at 18 degree centigrade. So for that we have to calculate one value, maturity value. So see, time means 28 days, but you have to take in hours or days. So we can form into days, into temperature. Temperature means 18 degree centigrade. Okay, fully 18 degree centigrade minus, यहाँ पर minus, this is the reference temperature. So according to this you will get the value, just a minute, degree centigrade hours. So this is the reference maturity according to research, according to experiments. So however this value can be considered for our calculation will be 19800. So you have to mention this value, okay, because this is not the exact one. Some fluctuations will be there because these are the average values, na, 18 degree centigrade, 11 degree centigrade. So exact value can be residing between these two. So we are taking here the whole 19800 will be your degree centigrade hours value. So this is according to law, according to maturity concept. So this value will be the main value for research or for experiments or for calculation purpose. You have to keep in mind. So like this you can calculate different maturity of different concrete in different days. So for that one scientist, this Plowman, Plowmans, Plowman coefficient. So Plowman have given this law or this experiment. He has done some modification to this law maturity concept. and have given a different value, a different formula for this, Plowman's formula. Which is equals to, Plowman's formula is equals to, of different temperature. Maturity equals to time into temperature. Log 10 maturity upon 10 to the power 2, and which is equals to 19800. So this 19800 is the reference maturity value, and this is for calculation of any maturity. Means you have to calculate the maturity of any concrete, which means suppose you have to calculate at 7 days maturity. You have to calculate 7 days maturity at 21 degree centigrade temperature. So by this formula you can calculate maturity, okay, by keeping reference this value, by having reference of this value. So okay, so here A and B are the two constants, are the two coefficients which have been given by Plowman, P-L-O W-M-A-N. Plowman is a has done a research for that maturity concept. So A and B, okay, these two coefficients will be taken according to this table. Okay, here strength after 28 days, means after 28 days, these are the strengths in MPa, megapascal. Okay, so if 28 days strength is less than 17.5, then you have to take the value for A is 10 and this one. So accordingly, if your strength lies between this one and this one, so take A and B value, this and this, take this one. So like this you have to, you can calculate maturity of different concrete at different temperature at different days. Okay, so A plus B, so write here the value of A plus B according to this table, and log 10 maturity will be given in your question, means how much maturity will be there, and this one. So according to this you can, according to this formula you can calculate maturity. Okay, you have all the values A, B, this one and this one. So for that you can calculate maturity at any stage. Okay, so one question we can calculate. See, just a minute. A question is there for maturity. Just a minute. I have to find that question. See this one, the question. Here are you able to see the question, this one? The strength of a sample of fully matured concrete is found to be 4000 megapascal. See. The strength of a sample of fully matured concrete is found to be 40 megapascal. Strength is given in question. Okay. Then after, find the strength of identical concrete at the age of. So आपको find क्या करना है? 7 days strength. And when cured at an average temperature during daytime is, say in this question two temperatures are given, at daytime and at night time. So daytime temperature is 20 degree centigrade and night time temperature is daytime 20 degree centigrade and night 10 degrees centigrade. Okay, so these are the two temperatures I have given in this question, and you have to find the maturity and 7 days strength. Okay, so how will you calculate this one? See, first of all, calculate. We have a formula for maturity. See here, that is equals to summation of maturity, time into temperature. See here, we have two temperatures, first and second. Okay, so time. This is daytime and night time. Okay, so 12, you can say 12 plus 12, 24 hour will be there. So for daytime we have to divide this question into two parts, for daytime and for night time. So 12 into how much? Time. Okay, so there what we have calculated time for 7 days. Now we are getting, so 12 into 7 and plus 20 degrees centigrade minus 11 degree centigrade. Time into temperature. Temperature 20 degrees centigrade. So 20 degrees centigrade minus 11. Okay. So this is for daytime. We have to do summation na. So plus. Again 12 into 7 into 9, 10. 10 minus 11. So like that you will get the value of this in approximate, just a minute, 4368. You will get the value 4368 degrees centigrade hour. So this will be the value according to this one. See. Now what you have to do? The percentage strength of concrete at maturity of this one. So now you have to calculate percentage strength of the concrete. So percentage strength of the concrete according to our maturity concept at Lomax. So this will be the maturity you have gotten here, maturity 4368. So you have a formula, maturity equals to A plus B log 10 maturity upon 10 to the power this. So this maturity at the age of 70 you have to find here. So write this value 4368 here, 4368. Now A plus B, how much value is it? 40 megapascal is given here. So 40 megapascal where it comes between here 35 to 52.50. So take A value 32 and B 54. 32 and 54. Like that you can calculate this here. So the value for this will be equals to 66.5. Sorry, maturity, the value for maturity we have calculated from here 4368. So 66.5 you will get here. Okay, so this is the according to Lomax strength, percentage strength. Okay, percentage strength at fully matured concrete 66.5. Now in question, what is given here in question? Just a minute. So 7 days strength will be equals to 40 into, this is the percentage, no? Percentage we have gotten here 66.5 divided by 100. So it will be approximately megapascal. See, for 40 megapascal, the 7 days strength at daytime and night time you have gotten 26.5. Means at 7 days your concrete possess this much strength, 26.5 megapascal. So here what we have calculated 4368. 4368 is the maturity at the fully matured concrete. Means this is according to the fully matured concrete. जो हमने fully matured किया है 18 degree 28 days. So this is according to that. Okay. And this we have got percentage. From here you will get the percentage of the fully matured concrete in relation with the fully matured concrete. So 66.5 percentage हुआ. So 66.5 percentage of 40 megapascal you will get the strength of fully matured at 7 days strength. So this will be the last three, but not the least, this is the graph having compressive strength and maturity. Compressive strength here at y-axis and here is x-axis maturity constant. So as maturity goes on increasing, strength will goes on increasing. So what according to Plumans, as maturity increases, strength will goes on increases. So this is all about the maturity concept in concrete technology, and this is the most important one. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me at any medium, okay, by any medium. So thank you all of you for today's lecture.